There are numerous items accessible to steering wheel covers, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best steering wheel covers from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Aliexpress Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. Made of microfiber leather outer and natural rubber inner without terrible odor, eco-friendly and healthy. Anti-slip design of the outer and inner ring of the steering wheel cover provides a better grip on the steering wheel, giving you more control on the road. Suitable for middle-sized steering wheels from 14.5 inches to 15 inches in diameter. Universal size fits for most vehicles, SUVs, vans, trucks. Easy slip-on installation. With smooth, breathable, comfort microfiber leather, this steering wheel cover is breathable, heat-resistant, cold-resistant, and wear-resistant. It will keep the hands dry from sweat and the heat. Perfect decor for your car. Make your car unique. Also protect your steering wheel new. Number 2. KAFEK Steering Wheel Cover. Made of durable microfiber leather and breathable silk mesh, healthy and eco-friendly. Bring you a great touch and feel. Warm in winter and cool in summer. Perfect decor for your car. Also protect your steering wheel. Suitable for all middle-sized steering wheels with outer diameter 14.5 inches to 15 inches. Sweatproof and anti-skidding. Stable, heat-resistant. A better grip on the steering wheel gives you more control on the road. Easy to install. Because of the ductility material, any adult can easily install this steering wheel cover. No tools required. Tips. It is not fit for Honda Civic. Number 3. CXD Universal Car Steering Wheel Cover. Super soft and warm, non-slip and durable. It provides great grip on the steering wheel. Bring you a great touch and feel. Massage your palm and relieve drive fatigue. Protects your hands from cold steering wheels. Sweatproof and anti-skidding. EUR prevents the hands from getting sweaty from contact. The best solution to palmar hyperhidrosis. The steering wheel covers fits most of car. Suitable for middle-sized steering wheels with diameter of 38 centimeters divided by 15 inches steering wheels. Super technology and flat sewing stitches. The steering wheel gloves are the perfect way to transform the look of your vehicle's interior while protecting your original steering wheel at the same time from wear and tear. Slips right on steering wheel and instantly improves the appearance of old or dirty steering wheels. Number 4. Aliexpress Brand's Australian Sheepskin Wool Steering Wheel Cover. Comfortable year-round. With its soft and fluffy feel, it would make your drive comfortable and pleasant while adding a touch of luxury to your car interior. It will protect your hands from burning in hot summers and will keep your hands warm in ice-cold winters. The Aliexpress steering wheel cover will fit most standard steering wheels measuring approximately 14 to 16 inches in diameter. The Aliexpress sheepskin car steering wheel cover is made of 100% authentic Australian sheepskin wool. The Aliexpress sheepskin steering wheel cover is elastic and will simply slip right onto your steering wheel, and you are good to go. If not completely satisfied, return with no questions asked. Number 5. Valicomfy 3PCS Fluffy Steering Wheel Cover. Our steering wheel covers for women fuzzy, suitable for middle-sized steering wheels from 14.5 inches to 15 inches in diameter. Our fashion fuzzy steering wheel covers are made of faux Australian sheepskin wool. The wool length is 7.5 centimeters, very thick and fluffy. Our fur steering wheel cover accompany you with light and soft wool, warm your hands and no slippery. Perfect for winter cold weather, it can bring you a new refreshing driving experience. Our fuzzy steering wheel cover women touches ultimate beauty, embellishes interior decoration. And meanwhile it is easy to install. What's the most important? Our fluffy steering wheel cover's shape does not change over time, for it's durable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.